Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're at today. Thursday, September 18th. Huge day yesterday. Well, the media will say it was a huge day yesterday, and it was. The Feds did cut rates 0.25% as expected, and they did say that they are anticipating cutting 2 more times before the end of the year, which was expected. So we saw a little bit of volatility in interest rates yesterday, but in my opinion, in my forecast, I think we are going to see the trend continue, a slow improvement to interest rates, which is perfect for what we need in this market now, in my opinion. So, according to Mortgage News Daily, the national average 6.22 on a 30-year fixed and 5.95 on an FHA. That's pretty much unchanged. A small improvement over yesterday, but negligible. The best case scenario is this continues to happen day over day. But look at jumbo loans, 6.14. We're almost under 6% on loan amounts over 802,000, 650,000. That's pretty exciting. But overall, very good news. Today, we're going to Camas. Found a really nice home at a reasonable price. And I think we're going to see more and more of these, just like yesterday, hit the market. Homes in that 2,000 to 3,000 square foot range, in that $5,000 to $7,000 price range. This one's in Camas. We're going to 863 Northwest Norwood Court in Camas. 3 beds, 2 baths, 2305, built in 2002, sitting on an 8,000 square foot lot. From this picture here, it looks a lot bigger than 2,300 square feet. This home is listed by Sonia. Let's see what she has to say. Settle into the calm of this day ranch home. Day ranch home? Huh. Doesn't look day ranch to me. Where Mount Hood views and the Columbia River offer a peaceful backdrop to everyday living, thoughtfully designed with comfort. The layout feels open and inviting with its vaulted ceilings on the main level, beautiful hardwood floors, and a gorgeous kitchen with island and gas appliances. Picture yourself relaxing by the fireplace on your front porch, gazing at sunsets or Mount Hood. Relax on your recently updated primary ensuite with walk-in shower and walk-in closet, 2 additional bedrooms, 1 with private balcony. And all bedrooms have custom California closets. The roomy garage connects conveniently to the lower level bonus room, giving you an extra space for storage, home office, or more family space to relax. Large lot, providing front porch, fire pit area out back, new Trex deck. Okay. Let's take a look at some pictures. Okay, definitely is on a cul-de-sac. There's a view of Mount Hood at sunset. This must be our front patio. Okay, to me look like hardwood floors. But a nice entry, lots of millwork. I like the contrast white millwork with the beige paint. I think that looks very nice. Now this home was built in 2002, so we see things like tile granite. The cabinets are original. Nothing wrong here, and nothing that would be that expensive to update if you just want new countertops, or you could do a whole kitchen reno. But vaulted ceilings are nice. This to me also almost looks like a Pacific Lifestyle build. Nice windows in the breakfast nook. You got your utility room off the kitchen. Decent sized great room considering we're dealing with 2,300 square feet. Gas fireplace. All that looks original. Okay, here's our primary. Now they have updated the flooring in here. Is that the same room? Yes. Okay, here's that updated primary bathroom. It's hard to tell what type of countertops those are. I almost want to say they're Formica. In fact, those sinks look original too. Now that I look at this, I don't think this is a remodeled ensuite. Yeah, that looks pretty original, except the flooring. Walk-in closet. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. This one has the balcony. Back deck, nice Trex deck. Mature landscaping. It's a nice lot. Fire pit. Looks like we're in the back of the, this is that bonus room off the garage. Kind of cool. All right, some drone shots. There's the cul-de-sac. Looks like a nice neighborhood. All right, in Camas, there are currently 181 homes for sale with a median list price of $916. Median price for pending properties, $879, and for sold, $809. So we're well under. We're gonna look at the square footage for solds. Average square footage is 2757. So we're at 2,300, but we're 200 grand, 100 grand, 100 grand less than that. Okay. Gonna keep it simple today. If you want to know how to truly take advantage of this market, watch yesterday's video or any of the ones we've done. Temporary 2-1 buy downs, I think now is the time to take advantage of those. You can apply a 2-1 temporary buy down when the interest rate's bought down by 2% the first year and 1% the second year. That's a loan feature, so you can apply it to any loan program, including these 3. I just put together 3 very common loan programs. 20% down, 30-year fixed conventional financing at $699 would make your loan amount $559,920. National average today, according to Mortgage News Daily, 6.22 on the interest rate. If we look at payment breakdown, property taxes in Camas on that home are $531 a month. Homeowners insurance somewhere around $100, bringing us to a total payment of $4,067 without negotiations. Our cash to close would be $150,000. If we put 10% down, interest rate stays the same, but we add mortgage insurance at $115 a month, giving us a total payment of $4612. So we go up $400 in payment, $600 in payment, but we save $80 grand out of pocket. Our cash to close jumps down from 150 to 80. And if we go FHA, our interest rate drops to 5.95. Our payment goes up to $5,000, but our cash to close is at 35. So we're spending $1,000 more a month, but we're keeping 120 grand in our pocket. So there's 3 ways to finance this Camas home for $699, but keep in mind you can add that 2-1 buy down loan feature to any of those programs. Okay, we have one more video this week. We're doing another daily home of the day tomorrow, and then I have a special guest coming on Saturday on the live stream, so make sure to check that out. If you haven't yet, subscribe, turn on notifications, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye, everybody.